What's the difference between maybe and may be? Let's find out. First, let's look at maybe. Maybe is an adverb that can be used with any tense. It has the same meaning as perhaps or possibly. It's usually at the beginning of a sentence, but not always. It can also be used as a one-word answer, just like yes or no. Maybe. Let's look at some examples. I'm not sure what to do today. Maybe I'll go shopping. I wonder why he didn't answer the phone. Maybe he was busy. I can't believe she told him. Maybe she didn't know that it was a secret. Where is his car? Maybe it's been stolen. Maybe is a verb phrase that is only used to talk about the present and the future. It usually connects the subject of the sentence to a noun, a verb, or an adjective. It usually focuses on someone or something being something. Let's look at some examples. If we don't hurry, we may be late. She may be angry if we don't tell her the truth. I'll call him later. He may be working right now. And we can use there may be to show the possibility of something existing now or in the future. For example, there may be a storm this evening. There may be free drinks at the event. There may be enough time to complete the project. To summarize the main difference between maybe and may be, maybe just means we are not sure. May be means we are not sure if someone or something is something now or will be something in the future. May be, the focus is on the verb be, something being something. And if you found this video helpful and want to see more videos like this in the future, please make sure to click follow on Facebook or subscribe on YouTube. Thank you for watching.